Welcome for watching this small YouTube video. You know the blending stick, I think. These are the dirty ones. You see there's a lot of color on it. And here I have some clean ones. But how you can make it clean? You only need your dirty blending stick and this guy. It is from a rough paper. And you can just put it clean. Then you don't have to throw away all the time your blending stick. It's a waste of your money and it's a waste of the stick. And you have to turn your stick a little bit around so you will not make it flat, because you don't want to make it flat. You want to create a point. And like you see, the color is coming onto the paper here, and it's going off the blending stick. It's really nice, because now you can just use again your clean blending stick. Normally if you have a paper tissue or something, you can just put it off. I put it on my sleeve and ta-da! It is totally clean. And yeah, again, for using. And also if you have older one like this, you see it's already gray and you don't have point anymore, then you can also just clean it. You have a little bit longer work because it is really an old one, but that doesn't matter. And you see there's coming a lot of dust out of your blending stick. But just take care that you will put a little bit around sometimes your blending stick, and just clean it with the paper. And I will clean it again on my sleeve, and like you see also here, it is clean, and you have also points what you like. So you make a little bit of mess. There's a little bit of mess what we are just putting off, but you have really nice and brand new blending sticks. You can use multiple times. So, and this stick I have available from €2.80 in my web shop. And there's a lot of layers. It's not only one. You can just putting a lot of papers off, so you can just use it really a lot. So it's really nice to have. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. And I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.